So maybe you're struggling to focus right now. I get it. We're all struggling to focus, or maybe you're finding that there's a bit of a lack of directionality. So let's take some time for some real talk right now. We are in tough times, okay? This is totally uncharted territory for pretty much all of us. And that's terrifying as a business owner. It's also terrifying as an employee. There's no doubt about that. We cannot deny the fact that it's tough times right now. But if you're struggling to focus and you're struggling to find some directionality, that's not going to help your business right now, and it's not going to help your job. So the best thing that I can advise you to do right now is to find your purpose. And yeah, you're like, great, find your purpose. How the hell am I going to find my purpose? It's something that people spend their whole life doing. But right now, we need to help one another. We need to be a source of community for everybody else. And as soon as you find that purpose for yourself, you'll get your focus, you'll get your directionality, you'll get all of that stuff. And your focus right now and your purpose right now is to support people. It's to empower communities. It's to encourage. It's to build relationships. And the best way that you can do that is to share your expertise in the world in a way that adds value. And the second you key into what your actual purpose is within all of that, you're going to empower yourself, but you'll also empower other people. And that's how we're going to get through this time period together. We're going to get through it by a sense of community and us working together, even if it is in self-isolation right now. So find that thing that you can do to support your community. And if you're doing it to support your prospects, then great, because you're going to build relationships, you're going to build trust, and you're going to do the things that are going to get you through this time period as a business. So find that area that you can support people in. It'll help give you some purpose, and it will also focus you, and it'll give you that directionality. Now, we've always offered free marketing therapy sessions. It's a thing we've always done, but that's more important now than ever. We're not stopping this, even though, things are going haywire. We want to help people like you. So if you're struggling right now with your business, or you're struggling with marketing and you just need to talk to somebody, we're here for you. We're here to help. It's not a sales thing. We just want to help you out. Okay. So we want to help you find your purpose as well, because for me, my purpose is helping other people help other people. So we can get pretty meta with that. But if you are struggling with that focus and that directionality, it's probably because you don't have the purpose that you need to get through this time period. So if you want to chat, we're here. By all means, reach out to us. But otherwise, I'd love to see more people empowering the community, being kind to one another, and encourage people, even if that is just to get your business through here. We're going to do this by being together as a community. So go out there and find how you can support everybody, and that'll help you key into your own purpose.